Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your overlays transparent in CapCut PC. I will just add this overlay right now, and as you can see, there is a black background. So to blend this overlay together, you are going to go to video here, go to the blend mode, and you're going to select mode, and you are going to select screen or brighten. Now that's for like overlays with a black background, but if you want to overlay a white background on top, here I'll like show you with the CapCut logo, for instance. You're going to select blend mode and you're going to select darken instead, and it's going to remove that. You can also use the opacity to blend it in with the video if you'd like to. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.